welcome to Santa Barbara, often called the American Riviera, has a rich history that dates back 1,000 years ago, when the Chumash people, which originally inhabited this area. In 1769, Spanish explorers led by Gaspar de Portola and Junipero arrived and established a mission, Santa Barbara, in 1786, which became the center of Spanish colonization and influence. The cities officially became incorporated in 1850, and shortly after, California became part of the United States. Santa Barbara is known for its stunning architecture and its arts, vibrant arts. So we're going to have a look at its architecture today, and we're also going to take you to the mission as well as the amazing courthouse. So join us as we explore Santa Barbara. Barbara Mission, labelled Queen of the Missions, was founded in 1786 on the feast day of Santa Barbara. After the third adobe church was destroyed by an earthquake in 1812, the present structure was built and completed in 1833. The earthquake in 1925 damaged the facade of the towers of the church. Due to deterioration, the entire front of the church was rebuilt in 1953 following the original design. Following a devastating earthquake in 1925, the center of Santa Barbara was rebuilt according to strict rules that dictated a Mediterranean-style architecture. The county courthouse was built in 1929 and is still in use today. The interior includes the mural room. Santa Barbara's Presidio was built in 1782 by the Spanish. It was the last in a chain of 4 fortresses erected along the Californian coast. The steam wharf was completed in 1872 by John Peck Stearns. It is California's oldest working wharf and a premier Santa Barbara landmark. It acts as a 2,300-foot-long tourist hub, featuring restaurants, shops, the Warner Sea Center, and offering panoramic ocean and city views. Thank you for coming along with us, and I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Santa Barbara. See you on the next adventure.